Shuubirds will deter unwanted birds from your boat. The Shuubird boat kit contains 5 Shuubirds with Velcro attachments that will attach to just about anything. Designed as a quick, territorial swallow, other birds avoid the Shuubird. Shuubirds have ultraviolet coloring that only birds see and recognize as toxic. Attached to your stays or halyards, birds will not leave a mess on your boat. Powerboats also will be clean when Shuubirds deter seagulls, cormorants, and blackbirds. Attach Shuubirds to the handrail, T-top, or antenna. Shuubirds located on your handrails will keep blackbirds from roosting and pooping on your deck, and blackbirds from roosting on your helm cover. And attached to a pig stick will keep your sail cover clean. Contact us at info@shuubird.com and keep your boat clean.